Everyone was excited the day Alhaji Adamu bought a tractor. It seemed to be the end to many of the problems they were facing. One of the problems they were facing then was that no matter how much manpower they had, they couldn't meet demand and it impacted on their income. So imagine their joy when a tractor came into the farm. Their excitement was short-lived though, as the tractor didn't last as long as it was supposed to. Alhaji Adamu was furious. He thought he had been sold a fake machine, but while discussing with the agent who sold it to him, he realized that he had failed in his maintenance of the machine. This is why it is important for you to learn about the maintenance of any tool or machine. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing the maintenance of tractors. There are some maintenance activities that must be carried out every day, while others should be carried out periodically. Some of the things you must do daily are: remove trash and mud from every operation, check water level and top if necessary, check the tire pressure before operation, check the electrolyte level of the battery and top up when necessary, adhere strictly to the manufacturer's guide or manual. Some of the maintenance activities you must carry out periodically are servicing of the tractors periodically and replacing worn-out tires. You must also check nuts, screws or shields and tighten them regularly. Replace worn-out parts, regularly change the engine oil, clear the air filter when necessary, and change the oil filter during each service. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next one.